I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Rob TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright, now I already took a peek at these. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the box. Okay, so as you can see with that tape, Nike box. Okay, let's go ahead and pull these out. Boom, Nike SB box. Put that down to the side for just a second. And what we have here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. Alright, let's throw that to the side and get back into this. Nike SB. Got the SB box going on right there. Alright, I do not have any SBs in my collection, so what is this? What do we have here? What is this? If you're watching right now, you can probably tell from the thumbnail what's in the box. But let's go ahead and get into it. These are the Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low Quick Strike, size 14, of course. These retailed for $120, and the colorway is Desert Ore and Royal Blue. Alright. Boom. Hope you all can see that. Probably not, but let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rob TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Nike Air Jordan 1 Low. The Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low, excuse me. Alright. As you can see, it comes with an extra set of laces. You have your Nike SB tag there with the royal blue laces here. And then these, are these navy or are these black? These are black. These are black laces here. So black laces, navy, or black laces and the Carolina blue laces, as well as the white laces that come already laced up in the shoe. Alright, very smooth shoe. Now as you can see on this one, we remove the laces to the inside. You can see all around the shoe that we have that royal outline going around here, going around there. You can see that hint of the royal all the way around the shoe. And then once you get on the tongue there, you also see that black and royal Nike SB logo there. Let's get the shoe tree out of here. Boom. Alright, so we get on the inside. You have your Nike SB with like a teal and burgundy insole there. Nike SB teal and burgundy on the insole. Now, on the bottom, boom, royal blue bottoms with your Nike logo there. Typical Jordan 1 bottoms there. Alright, now when I originally purchased this shoe, because I kind of didn't think I was going to get it, it was on the sneakers app. I have issues with the sneakers app itself over here. So I actually went ahead, hit the button. I didn't think I was going to get them, but I wound up getting lucky and they got here yesterday, right? But when I ordered these, at the time that I hit the button, I did not know that changes could be made to this shoe that would modify its appearance. So what I'm speaking of here is that the layer, the tan layer of the shoe that you see on top of everything comes off. It can come off. It can be modified or cut or peeled off to reveal what will be ultimately a Royal 1 low, a Jordan 1 Royal 1 low. And when I found out about that, I thought that was pretty damn cool. I thought that was pretty sweet that you could alter the shoe, which is why you see all the hints of the royal blue underneath the tan here. But you know that's not all. So let's go ahead and get into the right boy. Pull out the right boy. Right shoe. Second. Alright, so on the right boy, on the right boy, you have that Carolina. That Carolina going all around. Alright? Now, what's different about this one is that you even have the Carolina lining the shoe. Whereas on the left shoe, it's the black liner going all around. But you do have your blue bottoms and then the blue underneath. You can see that royal blue is coming up underneath. Alright? But here, you got that Carolina blue, you know, liner there. But then, as you can see, underneath, you got that Carolina blue creeping out. So if you alter the right boy, you're going to get that Carolina, the UNC low vibes. You're gonna get something that looks like this on the low. Alright? So I thought that was a nice touch. I thought that, almost fumbled. Thought that was a nice touch. The catch is, I'm nervous, and let me pull out this shoe tree. I'm nervous about doing it because I've seen pictures and I've seen videos. Same inside there. You got that teal and burgundy Nike SB logo there. Then on the bottom you have your UNC bottoms, Nike logo there. And then up here you got that Carolina blue Nike SB logo there with the white on the background. So that's pretty sweet. But I'm nervous about, as much as I want to do it, I'm nervous about removing the upper layer to reveal the color. And the only other way that I believe that you can do it without cutting it yourself is to skate it off and, you know, wear and tear, and it'll eventually reveal itself. Alright? The issue with that is I ain't about to go skateboarding and tear this shoe up. So I don't know the cutting part of it. I don't know if I have the patience to do it and to do it right. That would be sweet to have that Carolina blue swoosh around here revealed and maybe leave it like that, you know? Maybe cut just the swoosh off, or you know, cut just this little side panel off a little bit to reveal that blue. That'd be sweet. Because also, you know, on the back here, there's a Jordan 1, or the Jordan Wings logo is supposed to be there, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. So I wonder if you know, do the cut up if it is revealed. I'm not sure on that. I'll have to look around. But dope concept. Very dope concept of how you have both shoes, you know. And these two colors represent me well. I was born in North Carolina, and this royal blue, I don't like to refer to it as that other school that's in that state, but as this color is that Kentucky. So I was born here and I grew up here. So, you know, I like, you know, those colors mean a lot to me. Both of those two colors mean a lot to me. But, you know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, so these are what I was rocking on feet today. The shattered backboard lows. Very dope. Very dope. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get up out of these. Alright, so here we are on feet. Okay? Boom. Let's do that size comparison on feet. See how they fit. Fit test. This is my big toe. Alright, right here. Right about where the toe cap area is. Big toe fits right there. Alright. Width, pretty good. I don't feel like I could go down to a 13 in these because of the width. But maybe if I loosened up the shoestrings, it might be different. But 14 fits fine for me. So that is a half size up for me. So take that how you will. Alright, let's get some of that UNC. Let's get some of that UNC in you. Boom. Now let's get some of that Kentucky. Get some of that Kentucky in there. Some of that Royal in there. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it on these. Had to take that New Day sweater off. It's getting a little hot in here. It's getting a little hot with that on. But that's going to do it on these, man. Very dope. Very dope shoe, man. Very dope. I've really liked all of the Jordan 1 lows. And, you know, this is a SB technically. But I've liked all the Jordan 1 lows that have been released this year for the most part. And my only hesitation with this particular shoe is, am I going to cut up the shoe to reveal the hidden colors? That's my only hesitation, because I do feel like you could rock it as is with just the tan and then have the outlines. You could rock it as is, and let me bring in the right one. You could rock it as is and it will still look sweet. But I feel like if you cut it up and you get those different colors, man, it just makes it too sweet. But I don't know if I have the patience to do that. That's my hesitation with this shoe. Because at first when I saw it, I didn't know that you could do that. So we'll see, man. We'll see if I want to go ahead and do that. Because I think that wound up making the shoe pop a little more if you can get that tan off of here and bring out the UNC and the Royal, the Kentucky, that royal blue colorway on here. But anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.